guys! Good morning! Today is my birthday and it's a happy birthday to me. May konting celebration kami. So, magsa-start pa kami ng 3 p.m. Galing kami nag-grocery. Binili namin yung mga kulang na stuff na kailangan namin kasi kahapon, sarado lahat because it's Good Friday. We're gonna continue cooking na. So, lahat ng mga foods na ihahanda ko is naka-ready na siya. Kagabi, nag-marinate na kami lahat sa lechon belly, tsaka sa ito sa barbecue, and then, yung sa duck. So, na-marinate namin sila kagabi, and late na kami natulog. Here you go, naka-ready na sila lahat. So, we're gonna start now, guys. I'm gonna take this all off. This one. Bumili ako ng chopping board kasi yung chopping board namin is sobrang liit dyan. Yan. Sobrang liit. And free lang yan dito sa bahay. Ibigay sa amin. We're gonna start now and nagpe-preheat na kami ng oven.
Happy birthday, baby!
Yeah. Ito yung na-marinate ko na lechon belly. I-move ko siya dito sa roaster. Nakabili rin namin dito kanina kasi wala kaming roaster rack. So, hugasan muna natin siya. So, I'm gonna show you. Ito yung ginawa ko kagabi. This one, our lechon belly. This is the lechon belly. This is the before. And later, you're gonna see, bango niya. So, we're gonna start. Alright. We got one visitor. So early.
Hello!
Hello! How are you?
Thank you. That's
Oh.
for you. Happy birthday.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Yeah,
thank
really
you.
nice. And I got
Oh!
Yeah,
Love that one.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
I need to get my stuff now. Just have a coffee in the morning and it takes me a while before I eat something.
It's a bit windy.
Yeah, it is, but as long as it's like a nice day, it's good.
It's good weather. You know,
It is
gonna
good.
be reached like 31 degrees.
Oh yeah. Well, I think it's gonna be 30 today. It's gonna be really hot.
Yeah.
Windy! Very windy indeed, but good. So windy, but good.
But
Wind.
yeah.
Two bags of rice, that's enough, or do you want to get some more?
I already bought two because I thought you were going to buy it, so I just went this way, right?
Wait, that's good thing because I probably
No, no.
anyway.
It's a good thing for me.
All good, man. All
I'll
good.
give you together.
Don't worry.
I think I'm hungry and thirsty.
Di siya magkasya. Maybe I need an egg.
Oh my god, that 1 point. It kills.
I can't get over it. Now we're finished putting it in the oven. Now we're gonna start making the leche flan. So all I need is evaporated milk and then 1 condensed milk. We're gonna mix it together.
Hurry to the Good Guys for Doorbuster deals. New supersized deals out now.
Sorry sa background, ingay guys. So mag-start na tayong magluto ng leche flan. And yung kailangan natin is 2 evaporated milk. This one. This is just a home brand ng Woolies. 1 can of condensed milk. For the egg, I need around 16 egg yolks. So we're gonna separate the egg yolk and the white.
You don't have to rush. Just take your time. Just sit, you know?
Yeah.
You don't have to. Help yourself. You can do anything. Everywhere but go. Everywhere.
Everywhere.
In the house, outside the house. Always make
So we're done putting the cheese, guys, and now I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and mamaya ko pa ilalagay yung buko, yung shredded na buko, kasi naka-frozen pa kasi siya eh. Duck. So tapos na ako sa sweets, guys, and next na lulutuin ko is yung pancit at saka yung camaron remusado. Yun yung lulutuin natin. And then, ano pa ba? Alright. So, yung duck, parang tapos na siya. But yung belly, hindi pa siya na ano.
No, that's good because para makook po sila ng pizza.
Show them.
It's hot.
Our duck.
Duck.
What do you call that? Lechon duck. There you go. Ooh.
Another one, duck.
Alright. So, hindi pa tapos yung lechon belly. Maya-maya pa yan, guys. Matagal-tagal pa ang lechon belly. So, let's start making the pancit. So, lobat na ako, guys. And I need to charge my camera. Here I am cooking the pancit. No pancit yet. But, here. So, tatapusin ko muna to. And then, next is the camaron. Newly arrived visitors. Ito, gumawa ako ng sauce para sa barbecue and then siya sa labas. Yan, another visitor din. Let's open it. It's very windy. Here you go. The sauce. You wanna play outside? Close the door, baby. Close the door. Thank you. Good, good.
No more sabaw. Oh, no.
Oh, no more sabaw. Now, gagawa na tayo ng camaron.
If you put on the skin,
The butter mix that I made.
if you put
Flavor is coming now.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Said maybe.
Ma.
Oh, yeah, for sure. That's for sure.
He's gonna try and kiss you like
That's
that.
for sure. Last time we were here, I was
Get another visitor. Hi. Hi, Varos. Let's check the barbecue. Here's the barbecue. Ooh, yummy.
Yeah, always. I just wanted to say. Oh, yeah.
Ito na yung lechon belly, guys. Ganda! And then, pahagdan natin dito.
Happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday! Happy birthday, Tita. Tita Yen. Nice. Someone's so busy. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. On the move. On the move.
Alright, kainan time. And this one not finished yet. Finish. Alright, let's eat. Hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Oh, hi.
Welcome to the vlog.
Happy birthday! Happy subscribe to Skull Creamy, all capital. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
Grapes is live.
Subscribe. Like and subscribe. Comment your username for a neon turtle.
Subscribe.
Hi.
Hi.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you. So the boys are here playing basketball. Hi. Say hi. Go Daddy. Go Daddy.
Wait. How do you do that? Where's my team?
Yeah, Mark. There's no out, yeah?
Oh, no, up. What? Oh my God.
I record that.
That's a free kick.
You lost,
I lost. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding.
They loser.
Bro, look at this dude.
Oh my God, embarrassing.
Hindi na.
Magic.
Yeah, show me magic.
One, two.
Oh, that's magic.
Close your eyes.
Again. Ooh. Yeah. Try harder, bebe.
Say, are you ready? Run over there, Diti. Run over there. Go.
Go, Destiny.
No, baby, this one. Look. Good job, Destiny. Well
Good
done.
job, Destiny. Ooh, you got hips.
Over there, go. Look at that, that's small. Over there, go.
Get the big one, Destiny.
Over there.
Now we're playing games, guys. And nalubat yung camera ko, so ito yung gamit ko yung sa phone. The kids are here and also they're playing badminton. And here, may pa-games yung asawa ko.
What's this? Too much drink.
It's okay. It's very too much drink.
So these are the prizes, guys. Kung manalo, kung makuha nila yung shoes, then this one.
If you go slow,
Alright, ready na? So here's the consequences. You're gonna drink. Now you have no choice.
Tell me why. Drink it.
Alright. Okay na, ready na?
line up.
Line up. Okay, I'm gonna take video. Ready, go.
Okay, why don't you go?
Excited sa drink it. Okay, just go around here. Around there. Aim there.
How much yung pera? How much yung pera? 1,000. No? 1,000. 1,000.
Mandala, ikaw dyan makatapal.
Drink it. Ayo, ebidensya. Drink it.
Let's try out.
Ayun!
Wala pa ng pera.
Wala akong pera.
dyan.
Wala, after 2, wala nang.
Wala na yan. Ay, kukunin ko pa yan eh. Skati. Pusta.
Oh, next!
Oh, you. Drink it! Drink it! Drink it! Drink it! Drink it! Shot, shot, shot!
Sige mo. Kaya yung baso mo.
Sinalan again. Drink it, drink it. Mo. Wait lang, isa lang, iganyan lang. Pag dalawa. Isa lang. Pag isa lang, iganyan lang. Ganyan lang.
Oh, ganyan lang. Oh!
Ay na mo pag-iwap kay humana na na.
Lagi na yan. Dito, tsaka dito. No, sayang. Bebe. Sige na!
Yay! Sunday! One more!
Ay, gusto ko! Okay na, wala na yung drink.
One more.
Yan kana sa dumay gamay niya, dumay gamay.
Bago pa to, galing ng Foot Locker. Wow, I like that.
Wow! Oh, next! Yung wala ko sila.
Next, I need Monstera.
Hoy! Wala! Hindi!
Only one. Right, only one. No try, nothing.
Wag yung Monstera ko! My heart went oops! Oh, yung wali chico!
Wait, only one ha.
Oh, one try, ha?
Ito na lang. Pero malikpan eh. Oh, sa'yo na yan. Sa'yo na to.
Ano to?
Kunin mo yan, kunin mo ayin.
Sino ba to?
Sali na yung palaman. Lala! Ayan na! Ayan na!
Animas! Ka-George, animas! Isti mo to siya.
Control lang yan.
Go!
Taas, taas pa!
Go!
1, 2,
Baka tabay. 3.
Ikaw only 3. One. 2. 3. Again. Matigas ata yan eh. Two. Yung mabigat, merong bat eh, pero delikado. Yung bat.
One more.
Harder.
So princess.
So, princess, wait. Here, out of the way, baby.
Harder, kuya. Ready? Go! Oh, grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! Dili, grab it! Bus na yung party. Oo. Bilis makapasok. Daming flies. I'm eating, guys. I'm hungry here. The boys are hungry again. They request like fries earlier and then now pizza. Alright, you know how to open it? You want a scissor? You want scissor? Okay.
This one can heal your inflammation.
yummy.
Bro, seriously,
Great.
bro.
This one.
Can heal the inflammation.
Kain again, ha? Ang? Adidas? Sa ano? Sa Footscray?
Ma'am, hanap ka lang ganito, ma'am. O, pang ano talaga, ma'am.
Oh, kain. Uwi na sila. Kanya-kanyang impake. Tara, say hi sa my vlog. Nagluto si Ring ito.
Tapos na? Nagdala ko duha.
Bus. Kain pa more.
Look, nawala man din akong gikaon. Mo na, ma'am?
Bye-bye. See ya. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah. Bye. Thank you for coming. Yeah. Bye. Happy birthday. Thank you. Bye. Say bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. So, ang messy ko na tignan, guys. Galing ako naghugas ng mga pinggan. See? So messy. And tomorrow, mag-general cleaning kami dito sa bahay kasi sobrang dumi. Grabe yung flies. Siguro kasi mainit yung weather today. Umabot siya ng 33 degrees. So, sobrang init ng weather today. Grabe. But it's a good weather, actually. And then, yeah. Iko-continue ko na lang muna yung mga dapat kong tapusin dun sa kitchen. And then tomorrow, we're gonna like unbox all this birthday gifts na binigay nila sa akin tomorrow. Hopefully, makapag-vlog ako tomorrow kasi mag-general cleaning kami sa bahay. As in, lahat. General cleaning talaga. Ang oras ngayon is, I think, 1 na. 1 a.m. something, and I'm really tired. Rain is in the garage. May nisikaso siya doon. So, yeah, guys. I think that's it for our vlog today. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my day. Same as mine. I enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!